put all my main footage on video track 1 and audio track 1. Music and other things can go on the other tracks. Right now, my tracks, my video and audio are not linked because this little button here, this little link tool is white. I need to click it, keep it blue, so that when I click the video and the audio, they go together, else they get out of sync. So I'm gonna just take 3 or 4 different, this looks too similar to what I have up here. Do I want leaves? This is too shaky. Okay, I see a little chicken, a chicken out in there. I'm gonna take a little bit of the chicken. This is in the forest somewhere in Africa, in Liberia. I went there a couple of years ago, maybe 2017 or so. So I'm listening and watching and putting stuff on my timeline. Okay, I could use this one maybe. There you go. That's a nice one. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna use the chicken coin. But I just want to get like, okay, so there's the carpentry shop. Go in the forest, get the wood, and come and make some beds. We have, take that one. I'm going to use that as the beginning. And then that will be followed by, well, we have this, then we have a tree stump, then we have some chickens, and then we have the bed, okay? A lizard. But no, I prefer looking for some students. And there's some students, I think. Let's see.
So tell us now why you want to be a forest ranger. Why?
Look at the importance that the Liberia forest has, not only it being essential to work, but being very important to the entire world as we to the power of the day. And it's a linkage. In fact, they have been reserving the carbon and not of contributing to power of the day.